Have you ever tried to log into an account and the verification fails again and again? It's frustrating, stressful, and sometimes it even locks your account. In this video, I'll explain why verification fails repeatedly, how to fix it step by step, and how to stop it from happening again. Let's get started. Verification exists to protect us, but it doesn't always work smoothly. Here are the most common reasons it fails: typing errors in usernames or passwords, using the wrong recovery email or phone number, outdated apps or browsers, weak or unstable internet connection, server glitches or maintenance, logging in from a new device, location, or VPN, biometric issues, like poor lighting or unreadable fingerprints. Sometimes the system just says, "This looks suspicious, block access." It's annoying, but it's meant to stop hackers. If verification keeps failing, a few things might happen. Your account might temporarily lock. Extra security checks get triggered. You lose access to important services. Stress, frustration, and wasted time. For businesses, repeated verification failures can even interrupt work and reduce productivity. So fixing it quickly is important. When verification fails, follow these steps calmly. Check for typos, especially capital letters and symbols. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then try again. Restart your phone or computer. Make sure your internet is stable. Switch networks if needed. Try logging in from a device and location you used before. Look for emails or SMS alerts asking you to confirm it's really you. If verification codes don't arrive, check spam, resend once, and wait a few minutes. Avoid sending too many requests. Some systems block repeated attempts automatically. To stop verification problems from happening again, use a password manager to avoid mistakes. Set up backup authentication methods, Authenticator app plus SMS or email. Keep your phone number and recovery email updated. Regularly update your apps and browser. Avoid logging in through unknown public Wi-Fi when possible. These small habits dramatically reduce future verification issues. Contact support if your account becomes locked. Verification keeps failing after troubleshooting. You see suspicious activity. Error messages don't explain the problem. Provide screenshots, device details, and the exact error. Support can solve it faster. Verification protects us, but when it fails repeatedly, knowing what to do makes everything easier. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more simple tech guides. For deeper explanations and full articles, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. Thanks for watching. Stay safe online.